and add more youth. That's the word of advice from former Reggae Boys midfielder Andy "Bomber" Williams to improve performances of the national senior team. Simon Preston reports.
Andy Williams was 19 years of age during the final round of the 1998 World Cup qualifiers, where Jamaica's Reggae Boys secured the only berth to football's showpiece event. The former Reggae Boy, who is now a scout for Real Salt Lake in Major League Soccer, believes more youth should be integrated into the program to gain experience ahead of the 2022 World Cup qualifiers, which kicks off in 18 months' time.
We need to add a couple more younger guys and get them more games. It doesn't matter who we play, but just to get these guys together and bond as a team, that's the most important thing. Yeah, I know that club teams comes first, but we have to find some way, either go take the team and bring them over to the U.S. where most of the U.S. players are, and have like a weekend training camp, like stuff like that. It builds character.
Williams has encouraged local players to use the United Soccer League as a bridge to get into MLS and Europe.
With more teams coming in next year in USL, 3 in the Western Conference for sure, maybe 6 overall, there's more jobs. And I know players here that have the level to play in that league, and there's players that play in that league that play 1 or 2 years and they're playing on an MLS roster. So it's a stepping stone, and hopefully these kids will take it. I know people want to play in Europe, play in England, but there's steps you have to take.
The Bomber, who scored 22 goals in 97 games for the Reggae Boys, has also outlined what his dream job would be.
I think my dream job would probably be a college coach, to be honest. But I wouldn't mind dabbling in, say, a national team, U20, U16s, kids, not the grown men. Can't argue with me.
And you can hear more from Andy Williams on Centre Circle on Thursday evening at 9 p.m. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.